Back again. Let's Get Acquainted web series DVD. I want y'all to not just get acquainted with me, but get acquainted with my city. We around here, 35th, got a White Sox Stadium, Cubs hat on. Y'all get to see the city, see me. Still more good music. Let's get into that Grown Simba remix, alright? Come on.
PA Smooth, homie. Better keep your cool, homie. Look. You rappers spitting the same flow, I flame though. You know how this game go. And my flow righter than 90-degree angles. Known for hip hop like the mammal on the Kango. I don't smoke, but fucks with a puff like J-Lo. You don't wanna dance, you don't know just how we tango. So my block, hop up on your block like it's Lego. Nigga, I heard y'all snitching, having facts to give. Describing niggas, what up with all the adjectives? I'm in the verbs, actions over these words. Put my dick up in your ear just to fuck what you heard. Ha, it's whatever then. Put up some cheddar then. Cash loan, get in the list of rappers that I'm better than. We bare arms, no sleeves on it. If you want a battle, put G's on it. I eat rappers with cheese on it. All you do is subpar, I raise the bar. Even Kanye told you I'm a fucking superstar. So where you going then? Ha, that's what they yelling. Yo, J. Cole, where you going, nigga? Shit, it ain't no telling. Yeah, they keep on saying, where you going, nigga? Gone, nigga. It ain't no telling. I'm a fucking rap star. Hey, where you going, nigga? Yeah, it ain't no telling.